In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Capital One account using Zelle. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes, so just follow these steps. First, open the Capital One mobile app on your phone, or go to the Capital One website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the section that says Send Money with Zelle. This is usually found in the Payments or Transfers menu. If it's your first time using Zelle with Capital One, you'll need to enroll. To do this, enter either your email address or your US mobile phone number. You'll then receive a verification code to confirm your information. After verifying, your account will be linked to Zelle and ready to send money. Next, add your recipient. You'll need their email address or US mobile phone number, whichever they have registered with Zelle. Make sure the information is correct, because payments sent with Zelle typically cannot be canceled once they're sent. After adding the recipient, choose which Capital One account you want to send money from. Then, enter the amount you'd like to transfer. You can also include a short note describing what the payment is for, though this step is optional. Before completing the transaction, review all the details carefully, including the recipient's information, the amount, and the selected account. If everything looks correct, tap Send to complete the transfer. In most cases, the money will arrive in the recipient's bank account within minutes, especially if they're already enrolled with Zelle. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Capital One using Zelle. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more simple and helpful tutorials.